2026 Suzuki RM50. The legendary mini dirt bike returns. The Suzuki RM50 has always held a special place in the hearts of young riders and dirt bike enthusiasts. Known as the ultimate mini motocross machine, the RM50 combined lightweight agility, reliable performance, and a taste of real racing for beginners. After years of being out of production in many regions, the RM50 makes a spectacular return in 2026. This comeback isn't just about nostalgia. It's about modern updates that make the RM50 relevant for a new generation of riders. A brief history of the Suzuki RM50. The Suzuki RM series has been iconic in the motocross world. For decades, while models like the RM125 and RM250 gained fame in professional racing, the RM50 was the perfect entry-level machine, lightweight, simple and fun. It allowed children and young teens to experience motocross riding safely and effectively. For decades, the RM50 built a global fan base, especially in Asia, Europe, and the United States. Parents trusted the Suzuki RM50 for its reliability and ease of maintenance. Its small engine was powerful enough for real off-road fun without being overwhelming, making it a training ground for future motocross champions. Why the 2026 RM50 comeback matters. The 2026 comeback of the Suzuki RM50 is more than a revival. It's a response to the growing demand for youth-friendly dirt bikes, with many original RM50s now vintage collectibles. Suzuki saw the perfect opportunity to modernize this classic mini motocross machine. This comeback emphasizes Suzuki's commitment to both beginners and young riders who want a safe, reliable, and exciting dirt bike experience. For parents looking for a first bike for their kids, or enthusiasts wanting a light and fun off-road ride, the 2026 RM50 is a dream come true. 2026 Design Evolution Retro meets modern. The new RM50 keeps the classic Suzuki motocross design cues, but with modern updates, its lightweight frame is sharper, more rigid and more durable than ever. The iconic Suzuki blue bodywork is back, but now with a sleeker, more aggressive styling. The graphics are modernized with bold lines and fresh color accents, giving the RM50 a contemporary motocross appearance, while still honoring its heritage. The bike looks ready for the track, yet approachable for young riders experiencing their first dirt bike. Engine and performance small but mighty. At the heart of the 2026 RM50 is a small but powerful 49cc two-stroke engine. Suzuki has refined this engine for smoother power delivery, better throttle response, and lower emissions. Despite its size, the RM50 provides a surprisingly exhilarating ride for beginners. The engine is paired with a fully manual 4-speed transmission, giving young riders the experience of real motocross riding. Lightweight, easy to start, and low maintenance. The 2026 RM50 is perfect for both learning and racing in mini motocross competitions. Chassis handling and off-road performance. The RM50 has always been about agility, and the 2026 model continues that legacy. Its compact frame makes it easy to maneuver, while the suspension is tuned to handle rough trails and small jumps. Front and rear disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, even for beginners. Whether on a dirt track, a backyard trail, or a motocross course, the RM50 feels responsive, stable, and forgiving, perfect for young riders building confidence. Suzuki engineers have ensured that handling is intuitive, giving riders a sense of control from the very first ride. Modern features for a new generation. While staying true to its original simplicity, the 2026 RM50 includes subtle modern upgrades. Lightweight aluminum components reduce overall weight. Without sacrificing durability, the digital ignition system makes starting the bike easier, and improved ergonomics ensure young riders are comfortable. During longer rides, safety remains a priority. The RM50 features reliable braking, reinforced frame geometry, and protective design elements to keep new riders safe while learning. Suzuki balances fun, performance, and safety in a way only they can. Comfort and usability for young riders. The 2026 RM50 is designed for comfort and usability. The seat height is perfect for children and teens, while the bike's lightweight allows parents to assist when needed. Easy maintenance, accessible controls, and durable construction make it a bike that grows with the rider. Its fuel efficiency is also impressive, making it an ideal choice for frequent practice sessions without high running costs. For young motocross enthusiasts, The RM50 is a practical, fun, and dependable first bike. How the 2026 RM50 stands in the global market. In today's mini motocross market, the 2026 RM50 is a standout. Competitors may offer youth dirt bikes, but few have the reputation, reliability, and heritage of Suzuki's RM series. This comeback positions the RM50 is both a collector's dream and a functional mini motocross machine for a new generation. Suzuki's proven engineering, worldwide availability, and reputation for quality make the 2026 RM50 a top choice for families and beginner riders. It bridges the gap between nostalgic, classic motorcycles and modern off-road demands. Final thoughts. The RM50 legacy continues. The 2026 Suzuki RM50 proves that good things come in small packages. Its comeback is a celebration of Suzuki's history in motocross, offering young riders an authentic, safe, and thrilling dirt bike experience. With updated design, refined engine performance, and modern safety and usability features, the RM50 is ready to start a new chapter in motocross history. For fans of the Suzuki RM series, parents searching for a first bike for their children, and motocross enthusiasts alike, the RM50 is back and better than ever. Presented by Zee Auto if you want. I can also create a super SEO-optimized version with 10 catchy YouTube titles, description, and hashtags specifically for this 2026 Suzuki RM50. Video that could help it go viral. It would fit perfectly with this script.